All right, let's talk weather. Let's get to meteorologist Mariel Ruiz with a little change in our forecast coming soon.
Absolutely, and we talked about that at the beginning of the hour, right? A major temperature drop come tomorrow. But I want to talk about today too. I want to prep you for the rest of the day. Fort Worth right now looking at a little bit of cloud cover overhead, temperature near 71 degrees at the moment. 75 degrees being reported at DFW Airport. We're already seeing some break in the cloud cover, some blue in the sky there over Dallas. Winds, look at that, out of the south and west at about 23 miles per hour. Wind gusts will be close to 25 miles per hour throughout the remainder of the day. That's the highest wind gust I've seen so far today. That could change. About 71 right now in Fort Worth, 73 in McKinney, and 72 in Denton, 73 in Terrell. Eventually, just about everyone makes it into the mid-70s middle of the afternoon. I'm expecting that southwest wind to be consistent all day long. So if you have any outdoor plans, just plan on the windy weather as well as the warm weather, especially considering what time of the year it is. 76 for the high around 3. 77 in Fort Worth, 76 in Dallas, 73 for Denton and in McKinney. Slightly cooler for our north and western counties in the low 70s. Otherwise, just about everyone dealing with the warmer weather today. And tonight is when that front arrives. Around 10 or 11 is when I'm expecting it to arrive in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. This is going to help drop our temperatures into the 30s for Wednesday morning. 40s will be really where we are at all day tomorrow. So a bit of a shock to the system. I've said that a lot this morning, but I want you to be prepared for it. You're going to need the extra layers tomorrow. We talked about the rain potential today. It's not big. In fact, the best chance of rain that we have today is happening right now, and we're seeing it in the form of very isolated showers, very light rain just north of Mineola. That's really about it. I'm going to pan out so I can show you where the bulk of the activity is into Louisiana, areas of Mississippi. Already a severe thunderstorm warning there. That is where we are expecting strong to severe storms throughout the remainder of the afternoon. Wind advisory is also in place in New Mexico and portions of the Midwest. This is all thanks to the system that we're expecting tonight. Winter weather advisories just north of that. That cold air is headed this way, but without the winter weather precept. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Like I mentioned, we're expecting the strong storms. This is Tuesday around 5 for portions of middle Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana, all really under the threat for that today. Meanwhile, we're staying dry, just really windy and warm. That front is going to arrive after the sun sets, closer to about 10 or 11 tonight. And then we'll notice that much colder air filtering in throughout the rest of the night. The severe weather threat, non-existent here, but it is existing across East Texas, marginal to slight risk for severe weather, and even higher threat for portions of middle Mississippi, like I mentioned. We are looking at much colder air dropping in for tomorrow morning, about 36 degrees for the morning low, 49 degrees for the afternoon high on Wednesday, and then Thursday morning, temperature drops to 34 degrees. Wind chills are going to be in the upper 20s, low 30s. For the next couple of mornings. The afternoon high, 53 on Thursday. I am expecting a really small potential for rain to return Friday, Saturday, but better coverage expected on Sunday. But by this time, temperatures will be back into the mid-60s. No threat for winter weather or anything like that. We do warm into the 70s early next week. Back into the 50s middle part of next week. So a couple of up and downs, Cleo.
Yeah, it's like a little roller coaster on that 10-day forecast. Thanks, Mariel.